New review is coming. New review is coming. Hello everyone! Despite all the chaos around, Legoland Kharkiv keeps growing. I've just finished working on another residential building and I can't wait to show it to you. So, let's jump right into the review. Let's go! The idea to build this structure came to me after thinking about how to repurpose parts from the old city hall, which had been exposed to the elements for about 10 years. After watching these parts, I realized they would be perfect for the side and back walls of the future multi-story building. That's why the color combination dark green and beige ended up being not entirely harmonious. However, it was a cost-effective solution, and these parts, which had been part of the city for over a decade, can now continue to serve a purpose. Now, let's finally take a detailed tour of the building itself, and let's start with the exterior of the structure. The building's facade is designed in a simple but expressive style that combines classic architectural elements with functionality. The main wall color is light beige at the front and dark green on the sides and back, creating a striking contrast between the front and rear parts of the building. The first and second floors feature panoramic windows of a supermarket, making the facade look more open and modern. The red and white striped awnings complement the building's design, adding to the cozy atmosphere of a European city. From the third to the sixth floor, there are residential apartments. Their windows are adorned with red shutters, adding rhythm and visual dynamics to the facade. The seventh floor stands out with arched windows and decorative elements, as this is where the swimming pool is located. The section visually separates itself from the lower floors, smoothly transforming into a dark roof with small decorative details along the edges. During winter, the texture of the roof is highlighted by a layer of snow, giving the building a realistic touch. Overall, the facade combines aesthetics and practicality from all sides. The bright and detailed front facade gives the building its character, while the more restrained sides and rear provide visual stability and a sense of solidity. Now, let's dive inside and see what's there. And by tradition, let's start from the top down. The 7th floor houses a swimming pool, a true oasis for the residents of this building. The floor is tiled in a classic white and blue pattern, creating a summery of relaxing atmosphere. At the center lies the pool itself, filled with transparent Lego water. Around the pool, there are comfortable lounge chairs and relaxation areas where minifigures can unwind after swimming. A lifeguard is on a duty to ensure safety, while visitors actively enjoy the pool and its facilities. Panoramic windows enhance the atmosphere, offering a view of the city, allowing guests to not only swim but also admire the scenery while sitting by the water. The pool is open not only to the building's residents but also to anyone who purchases an entry pass from the attendant on the first floor. This makes it not just a convenient place for relaxation but also an integral part of the city's infrastructure, accessible to everyone. The sixth floor consists of part of the pool facilities and an apartment. The pool area includes a small space with changing rooms, a shower and a restroom, overseen by a pool staff member. It is a compact yet functional zone that provides convenience for visitors before and after swimming. The residential part of the floor belongs to a family of 4: a father, a mother, a young child and a teenager. The apartment features various areas for relaxation, work and hobbies. In the living room, the father is working on his laptop with a small kitchen area nearby. The teenager has set up a music corner where she plays the piano while her friend plays the guitar. In the master bedroom, the mother is taking care of the youngest child. The sixth floor combines a functional pool facility with a cozy living space, allowing each family member to comfortably enjoy their time. On the fifth floor, there are 2 small apartments. In one of them live an artist and a photographer, a creative couple who have filled their home with warmth and inspiration. Inside the apartment, you can spot an easel with a palette of paints, a workspace with various supplies, and a camera that the photographer uses to capture the best moments of life. In the second apartment, cat lovers live together with their pets. They have 2 cats. One is a fluffy white cat and the other is a short-haired grey one. Both of them love treats and their owners are always ready to spoil them. This floor combines a creative atmosphere and a love for pets, making each apartment unique and cozy. On the first floor is the largest apartment in this building. A big and friendly family lives here, consisting of a father, mother, older brother, sister, baby brother, and their pets, a cat with a kitten and a dog. The apartment is decorated in warm, cozy tones, creating a homely and inviting atmosphere. At the center of the apartment is a spacious living room with a large dining table where the family gathers for meals. A decorated Christmas tree adds a festive touch. In one corner there is a soft couch, perfect for relaxing, making the living room a welcoming space for everyone. The kitchen is fully equipped for preparing family meals, while the parents' bedroom features a comfortable bed and a special corner for baby, where the mother lovingly takes care of him. The older children have their own room where they spend most of their time playing and doing their activities. The pets feel right at home here. The dog rests near its owners while the cat and kitten explore the apartment's cozy corners. This apartment is truly the heart of the home, filled with warmth, comfort, and family traditions. On the third floor, there are two small apartments. The first apartment is home to a saxophonist and a potter, creative individuals who have filled their space with items related to their passions. You can spot a saxophone hanging on the wall, as well as a cozy relaxation area where they unwind after playing music and working with ceramics. The kitchen always has something delicious, and the interior is decorated in warm tones, creating a cozy atmosphere too. The second apartment belongs to a family of seafarers who have brought a touch of the ocean into their home. Their apartment is designed in a natural style, and they share their space with two pets, a white parrot and a seagull. In the living room, you can see a table with seafood delicacies, along with various objects that remind them of their travels. This is the last residential floor in the building. Below, there are commercial spaces, which we will explore next. On the second floor of the supermarket, there is an area dedicated to baked goods, sweets, groceries, meat, and dairy products. The cozy atmosphere is filled with the aroma of fresh bread, pies, and other pastries. The display cases showcase a variety of cakes, pastries, hot dogs, pizza, and fragrant buns. Behind the corner, a baker carefully monitors the quality of the products and serves customers. Next to it is a grocery section featuring various spices, canned goods, and beverages neatly arranged on the shelves. A special highlight is the candy stand filled with bright and colorful sweets. Here you can find caramel, lollipops, chewy candles, chocolate dragées, and other treats, all neatly stored in transparent containers. This corner is especially popular among children who eagerly explore the different flavors and colors. In the far corner, there is a section dedicated to dairy and meat products. It offers fresh cheeses, yogurts, sausages, and meat products, all carefully stored in refrigerated display cases. The supermarket staff maintains order and helps customers with their choices. In addition to the shopping area, this floor also features a staff break room. Here, employees can take a short break, have a snack, and rechange before returning to work. The entire second floor of the supermarket is bustling with life. Shoppers select fresh products, sample baked goods, and enjoy the cozy atmosphere. Now we will head downstairs to explore the rest of the commercial spaces. The first floor continues the supermarket, featuring several key areas. Here you can find the fresh produce section with crates of pumpkins, bananas, greens, carrots, cherries, and other products. Nearby there is a section for eggs, as well as refrigerators stocked with various beverages and dairy products. In the center of the floor, there are two checkout counters where customers can pay for their purchases. Additionally, storage lockers are available for visitors to leave their belongings while shopping. Security in the supermarket is ensured by a vigilant guard who keeps order. Aside from the supermarket, the first floor also serves as the entrance to the residential area of the building. A diligent concierge works here, ensuring order and assisting residents. It is at the concierge desk that anyone interested can purchase a pass for the swimming pool located in this building. Nearby, there is a designated storage area for bicycles, scooters, and other personal transport. An interesting feature of this building is the convenient access to the supermarket. You can enter it from both first and second floors. This is especially convenient for residents as they don't need to go outside. Just head down to the second floor to replenish their groceries. Well, our video is coming to an end, and that was a review of a new residential building. I hope to bring to life the most ambitious LEGO project I've ever worked on within the next year or two. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye! That was a new review. That was a new review.